Hello everyone! So for today's video, I have a package from this wig company in Amazon, and it is called Entranced Styles. It's from Amazon, but they did give this to me for free, but I will be letting you know everything. All my opinions are gonna be 100% honest. So yeah, let's open the packages, or the bags, because obviously it's not in the package anymore. So I got two more natural looking wigs. One is in blonde color and then one is a brown color. Let us first open the blonde one because I just love being a blonde. Alright, so this is how it is straight from the bag. It comes with a wig cap and there's two pieces. So this is like a stocking type of wig cap. Skin tone color. It even comes with a note. That is really nice. So it says, "Hi, it's my honor to serve you. Thank you so much for purchasing at our shop. With my best wishes. Love, E." I don't know if they printed this, but it looks like it's handwritten. It's just a nice touch to the product, you know? It makes the packaging look so much better, and it looks like they really take care of their products. It just looks more presentable. Always comes with these things. These, I think they're called hairnets. And then some stuffing so that it doesn't go out of shape. It even comes with a tag. They have their own tags. Let me first cut that off. Alright, so first is that what I've noticed is that it has this like flesh looking thing. I think it's more like a rubber material, but it looks like, you know, your scalp. And I love the ombre effect, the gradient effect. It goes from like a darker blonde, ashy blonde, and it has bangs, and it's a very nice quality, pretty thick. All right, so let's see the other side. It has these clips on the front so that you can hook it onto your hair, your real hair, and it won't fall off. This part over here, it's like really sewn in really well. What I mean is that the stitches are more accurate, are more precise, so I just love it. It really does look like a high quality wig. I'm gonna try one of the wig caps. Wow, this wig, when you touch it, it feels so soft. I just can't stop touching it. It feels like real hair, to be honest. And it looks really good. It's not shiny. And obviously the bangs are a little bit longer for me, so you do need to trim it. To have a little bit of allowance is normal because we don't know. Everyone's head is different. I love this wig. It's a thumbs up for me, and for what I think it was about $20 for each wig. It feels really comfortable too. Let's unbox the second wig. Same as the first one, it has a wig cap and the letter. Let me compare if it's computerized or not. Yeah, it is computerized. They're both exactly the same. They have a different color heart. The first one is blue. This one is green color. The same exact wig, but the color brown. It looks more like a black in camera. It's a darker kind of brown, which is perfect for one of the cosplays that I'm planning to do, which is Punchline. Since I have the wig already, I might just buy a costume next. I have to put this on again. Now this one, it looks like the skin color is darker a little bit, but I don't think that will be a problem for me. Maybe because of the dye of the hair. I feel like when they dyed the hair, it also got to the scalp. But I still love it, you know. I love that it looks really natural on the top. I look weird with dark hair. I'm not used to it because Even though my hair is naturally black, I always dye it. It's just too dark for my aesthetic, but I really love it for my cosplay, for my next cosplay. So for my next cosplay, I'm gonna cut this shorter, and then I'm gonna tie this up into a high ponytail. But yeah, which one is your favorite color? I personally love the blonde one because it's just fits more my aesthetic. I like the cute stuff, the girly girl stuff, so a lighter hair color would be perfect for me. But I love both of them. It's so soft. Like the first time I've tried it on, I really can't stop touching it. And I love that it has like natural, I don't know, but they put it on something that makes it look like your scalp. I love that about it. And for $20, this is a really good value, and you get 2 wig caps. If you guys want to check this out, I will leave the link down below, and you can also check out their page. They have a lot more wigs. They also have colored wigs. Since a lot of my wigs are already super colorful, I just got the more natural looking ones. And oh, I wanted to show you my shirt that I got from Five Below. It is so cute. It's Hello Kitty. Yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing review video. Or actually, it was an unbagging because it wasn't in a box. Don't forget to give me a like and also subscribe to my channel if you still haven't yet. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!